Let's start. Today we will see how to implement a multi-choice alert dialog in the Kotlin Android. Let's see the project structure. In the app-level build.gradle file, write this plugin. Here we have the main activity and a multi-choice dialog class. And in the UI, we have the activity_main.xml file, which is the layout of the main activity. Let's see the UI. Here we have a button. Show multi-choice dialog. Let's see the Kotlin code now. These are the imports. This is the multi-choice dialog class that extends the dialog fragment. The data that we pass in the constructor of this class will be shown as the multi-choice dialog. In the onCreateDialog function, we create and show a dialog. Here we set the title of the dialog and the positive and negative buttons of the dialog. When these buttons are clicked, we dismiss the dialog and show the toast. Also, here we set the multi-choice items. Also, the selected data array is a Boolean array that keeps the record of checked, unchecked selections. These are the imports. This is the main activity. This is the set of data that we will pass on to the multi-choice dialog class. And this data will be shown in the multi-choice dialog. The Boolean array keeps the record of checked unchecked states of the checkboxes. All the checkboxes are initially unchecked, hence the values here are false. In the onCreate function, we set the onClick listener of the button. When the button is clicked, we show the dialog like this. Also, we set the isCancelable attribute to false, so that this dialog cannot be cancelled by just clicking on the screen somewhere. This dialog has to be cancelled by clicking the cancel or OK buttons. Let's run the app. So that's it. That's how you can implement a multi-choice alert dialog in Kotlin Android. Thank you.